Capital Group Retirement Plan Now Next Review. Watch before using. Capital Group, known for its American fund, offer a range of retirement planner service. And here's the concise overview about this platform. So talking about the pros and cons, which is the good side and the bad side of this particular retirement planner. So picking the good side, it comes with a strong financial backup. Capital Group is a reputable and financially stable company, providing the confidence in its retirement product. It also comes with a comprehensive planning tools. So they offer resources like a pre-retirement checklist and personalized planning assistance to help individual prepare for retirement. It also comes with an employee satisfaction. Employees have a rated Capital Group positively, indicating a support work environment. And talking about the downside, which is the complexity in the product offering. The wide range of products can be overwhelming, making it important for users to thoroughly understand each option before committing. It also comes with a customer service concern. Some users have reported difficulties in customer service, including the challenge in account management and communication delays. And here's the overall conclusion. Capital Group offer a robust set of retirement planning products backed by strong financial rating. However, potential users should be prepared to navigate complex product options to be proactive in managing their account. Consulting with a financial advisor can help tailor the right retirement strategy to individual need. Thank you.